report has been issued on behalf of the Murfreesboro Police Department for Truth Claybrooks. Based on additional investigative information developed during the search for the baby, it is now believed he is in imminent danger. Truth is a 2-month-old black male, 1 feet, 8 inches tall, 20 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Truth is believed to be with his 17-year-old mother, Jayla Claybrooks, and 16-year-old aunt, Jone Claybrooks, who ran away from home on October 4th, 2024. Truth has a medical condition that requires treatment. If you have seen Truth or have information about his whereabouts, please contact the Murfreesboro Police Department at 615-893-1311 or TBI at 1-800-TBI-FNLFD.
Sugar.